Want perfectly roasted, crispy spatchcocked chicken on your Weber Kettle grill? Today I'm showing you exactly how to do it using the indirect cooking method. And to make things even easier, we're putting the Typhur Sync Gold Dual thermometer to the test to monitor both chickens at once. Welcome back to the channel. I'm Keith, and today we're firing up the Weber Kettle to roast not one, but two spatchcocked chickens. I'll walk you through my method for setting up a 2-zone grill, getting perfectly cooked poultry, and we'll see how the Typhur Sync Gold Dual thermometer performs along the way. Let's get right into it. To get started, we're spatchcocking these chickens. This involves removing the backbone and flattening them out for even cooking. It also helps reduce the cook time and ensures the skin gets beautifully crispy. With the chickens prepped, let's rub both of them down with some extra virgin olive oil and season both sides generously with my custom seasoning blend. It's a versatile mix that works great on just about anything, but it really shines on poultry and pork. If you want to try it yourself, I've included the recipe and ingredients in the description below. Definitely check it out. Now let's let our chickens rest on the counter while the grill heats up. We're setting up a 2-zone cooking environment on the Weber grill, ideal for roasting these spatchcocked chickens. Once the coals are hot, we'll place the chickens on the cooler side with the drip pan underneath to catch all those flavorful juices. With the grill up to temperature, it's time to get our chickens on. The Typhur thermometer comes with 2 probes, making it easy to monitor both chickens at the same time. We'll insert a probe into the thickest part of each breast, ensuring it's pushed in past the safety line for accurate readings. Now that the chickens are on the grill and cooking away, I want to share something that can take your grilling skills to the next level. I've created a digital guide all about mastering 2-zone grilling, perfect for cooks like this one. It's packed with tips and techniques to help you get the most out of your grill. If you're interested, you can find the link in the description below. With the chickens on the grill, we can monitor their internal temperatures without lifting the lid, keeping all that heat where it belongs. The thermometer screen shows me exactly where each bird is at, which is especially helpful for a cook like this, where timing is everything and we want to avoid dry chicken. So far, the Typhur Sync Gold Dual has been incredibly convenient. The dual probes make it easy to track both chickens, and the clear display lets me check temperatures at a glance. Plus, the wireless range means I can step away without losing control of the cook. If you're managing multiple items on the grill, this tool is a real game changer. While the chicken cooks, let me share a bit more about what makes the Typhur Sync Gold such a handy grilling companion. Let's take a closer look at the Typhur Sync Gold Dual thermometer and see how it performs in real-world grilling conditions. One thing I appreciate about this thermometer is its water resistance. Whether you're dealing with a little rain, like I had here, or splashes from basting or spraying your meat, the Typhur Sync Gold Dual handles it just fine. The base stayed responsive and continued tracking temperatures without any issues. The display is clear and easy to read, giving you accurate real-time temps for each probe. Here I've got one probe monitoring each chicken, and the readings are spot on. The device also shows the ambient temperature inside the grill. Now we're gonna walk around. I'm gonna walk down the street, and we're gonna test the range of this thing. It's supposed to be a pretty long range, so I'm gonna see how far we can get away from the house and see what's going on. So this is the base, and this is my phone. So we're just gonna walk down the street here, see how far we can get away from the house. All right, guys. So we just lost the connection for probe number 1, and I'm about, let me turn around and see. Man, I know I'm over 100 yards from my house now. I'm all the way down the street, over 100 yards away. Yeah, that's over 100 yards. So yeah, when it talks about range, I mean, golly, that's pretty far. And I have my phone in the base, so this base is yeah, this base is what needs to be close to the sensors. And this base, you see, it lost a connection, and we're over 100 yards away. So that's pretty cool, man. It advertises long range capability, and that's plenty enough for what I need. Yep. And probe number 2 now is disconnected. You see that? Now let's head on back and see what it does. Just gonna walk back to the house. Got a signal, so it looks like probe number 2 has come back, and as we get closer to the house, probe number 1 came back. So that's pretty cool. Between its water resistance, wireless range, and dual probe functionality, the Typhur Sync Gold Dual has been a solid performer so far. It's made tracking both chickens simple and stress-free. After a couple hours on the grill and maintaining a grill temperature of between 325 to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, both chickens are done, with internal temperatures hitting the perfect 165-degree mark. The Typhur Sync Gold Dual made it easy to track each bird without opening the grill and losing heat. We served both chickens sliced up alongside some rice and green beans, and the result was absolutely delicious. The skin was beautifully crispy, the breast meat was perfectly juicy, and the family couldn't get enough of it. The Typhur Sync Gold Dual's accurate readings ensured we nailed the cook, and it really showed in the results. If you're looking for a solid thermometer that makes grilling easier, the Typhur Sync Gold Dual is worth checking out. Typhur sent me this product to try, but as always, these are my honest thoughts. I'll leave a link in the description below if you want to learn more. I want to say a big thank you to our channel members. Your support means a lot. If you'd like to join and enjoy some great perks, there's a link in the description below. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, hit that subscribe button and click that bell so anytime we drop a new video, you'll be the first to know. Hit that like button and leave me some comments. I'd love to hear from you. If you're interested in any of the products we used in today's video, we'll leave some links down below. Hope you have an awesome day, and thanks for watching.